Alrighty, welcome back. Set up our documents, set our everything to pixels, 1024 by 1024. Draw a triangle, a big triangle. This is definitely going to be more retro look. But most of these retro looks are still used today by the professionals. So I'm distributing, selecting the bottoms and then one of the top and then the other top. Make those the same Y. Turn those into curves, and that's pretty much finished. Set the fill to black, set the stroke to nothing. Now we're going to do another V on the bottom, another filled V. We're going to do this one. We're going to curve it, make it a little bit wavy. We don't know about this guy. Just distributing all the nodes evenly. Curve those. Hold down the shift key and pull out both controls up. I'm going to do a kind of a wavy line on the bottom. I draw the iris. Control Shift C to turn it into a stroke or to a path. It says there's no fill, but there is. So turn on the fill, turn off the path. Duplicate it, pull it in just a little bit, make the duplicate. Well, let's select the background first. Select the one farthest back and make it a nice dark red. And make the one on top of it a little bit lighter red. Duplicate and drag it in a little bit, holding the shift key so it's symmetric. Select both the last two ellipses and turn their alpha down some. Duplicate again and drag that one in. Maybe turn its color a little bit darker. Leave the alpha down. Duplicate again, pull it in, turn its color much darker. The actual pupil. Duplicate again, pull it in. We're going to make our highlight, but we're not going to make it straight white. Make it an ellipse again or circle again, and then make it really small. Leave some of the alpha off. Drag it up there. Duplicate again, pull it down there, make it smaller. Duplicate again, make it smaller. Duplicate again, or drag it over there. We're going to do like two moons. Make that smaller. So we don't know what he's looking at. He's looking at something. All right, let's do the eyebrow. Triangle on top. Straight to curves. Fill black, stroke nothing. Hold down the shift key to set the stroke. Just make it a little bit smaller. I don't see him having big eyebrows. Alright, we're going to do a teardrop down here. Node selections, hit in, turn those to curves. Turn off the stroke, turn it. Turn on the fill. That's a corner. So that's the very first button up there. If you got something out of this, like and subscribe. There will be more. All glory be to God. I'm just going to group and play around. I'll see you in the next video.